Spiritual currency. Just like the three-dimensional world we live in, the spiritual world has its own law, rule, and currency. Money or currency can be converted from this world into the spiritual world. This allows any individual to send money into the other side. So on this video, I'll show you how to make silver and gold ingots using joss paper, which is actually this right here. And then there's actually two sides of it, the silver side and the gold side. And what you want to do is cut them in half. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it is cut. Okay, so, and what you want to do is fold these into both papers. That's what you want to do. And then this one will be representing the silver money, and this one's going to be representing the gold money. And then I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. You could fold it like this, or you could cut it to smaller pieces. It's really up to you. Okay, that's my silver stack. Whoops. Okay, and then that's my gold stack. So I'm gonna start with the silver one. So what you wanna do is with the silver color in the inside, and I'm gonna do it the hot dog fold, not style way. So what you're gonna do is fold that in half. All right, and then from the bottom, you wanna pull that up, but don't pull it up halfway. Pull it more like a fourth of the way up. And then fold it. And then after that, what you want to do is open it up. All right. And then from the two sides, that side and that side, you want to do is pull that in to the center right there. Okay. And then that side too. And then from every corner, that and those two corners, I'm going to fold them in into a triangle. Okay, and then I'm going to close it up. And then pop it open. And there I go. There I got it. It's actually a boat. And now for the gold, the same way. I'm gonna fold it half, not half, fold that in half, hot dog style. You could do it hamburger style, but I do a hot dog style. And then pull that up, not all the way, but a little bit. Not even half, but a little bit up. And then open it up. And then I'm going to fold the two sides in to the center. Okay, and then again, I'm going to fold the four corners anywhere to make it a triangle. And then I'm going to close it and then pop it open. Now I got my gold paper boats. So pretty much what you do is just burn them into one of these bowls right here, like an ash bowl. Or if you're a shaman, then you probably want to use one of those tinfoil bowl things. And then you can't just burn. Okay, so one thing is you can't just burn them. When you burn them, they do convert to spiritual currency, but the spirit will not receive them because there is a specific ritual that you must do. You must do before you actually burn them, and it also depends on who you're burning them to. You could be a ghost, a spirit, an entity, or an ancestor. And then once you finish burning into like your ash bowl or your foil, then you could just pretty much just toss them away. You don't have to worry about, keeping the ashes or anything like that. So that's pretty much how you actually make spiritual currency ingots.